Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching Profit Curve. Here's my friend I found, a bro.
Hello.
Again
Hello.
in Dubai. What's your name, bro?
My name is Biagio.
Biagio, yes.
Biagio, yeah.
So tell me firstly, are you, guys, we are just doing this to make sure that we hear from FIIs. He's an FII himself. He's from Italy. You're from
Italy, yeah. Milan.
With Milan, okay. So that's the fashion capital
The fashion capital, yeah.
of the
Is
world. Right?
yeah, the fashion capital of the world, like Paris. Also, Paris is famous for that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, but Milan is very famous also for the business side. Because if you want to make business, digital things, it's a perfect city especially in the north of Italy.
Okay.
It's perfect for that. Yeah.
So tell us, Biagio, what brings you to Dubai? What is it?
Brings me here because I'm traveling, so I'm currently I'm visiting. Let me say the world, because in the past years I work a lot in Accenture, in some companies, consultant company.
Okay.
And after let me say 10 years, I decided to say stop. I want to, let me say, take my life and start to travel, because I can meet people like you, from
Sure,
India, from all around the world.
Well, he's very modest. Actually, pleasure is all mine to meet investors on this trip. Are you investing in any stocks or mutual funds so far?
No. I want to be honest. I heard sometimes something like that, but I never study. Let me say study or invested in this kind of. But I know that you are the expert on this.
Yeah. Would you like to invest in India? What is your opinion about India?
We were speaking about that. There is the possibility, because I know you mentioned that, especially in India, is the second
Second
state that second largest. That maybe one day I will invest, because it's okay to invest in something that in the future,
which can grow the
yeah,
money.
exactly. This is the idea.
So guys, as he mentioned, he was into corporate, he worked with travel, and now he's a full-time traveler. He has his own YouTube channel. We'll come to that also.
Exactly.
I have seen, by the way, I've seen some of his videos. They are beautifully shot. He covers everything. And to cut a long story short, this gentleman, this bro of mine, will be in Mumbai in February, right?
In February, yeah, in the start of February.
In the first week of February, he's going to visit Mumbai, then Goa.
And maybe also the north.
Maybe
like
also
New Delhi, Agra, Jaipur.
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal, yeah. I stayed in last year in India, and
Okay,
I love Indian food.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
What do you like? Tell us, what is your favorite Indian food?
For example, I like I'm vegetarian.
Oh.
So yeah, I'm vegetarian. So this is why I love India, because I know that 30% of the population is vegetarian.
Right.
So I know that, and for example, paneer kadai. I love paneer kadai. Yeah.
Paneer kadai.
Your bread like chapati, paratha. I love.
You like aloo paratha?
Aloo paratha is with butter.
Potato.
Potato. Yeah, I love that one.
Paratha with butter. Yeah. With
I
butter.
love. I love
okay.
that. Yeah.
So guys, if you are listening to this, he'll be in Mumbai. I'll share the link of his YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Please, if you are subscribing to me, I request you, please subscribe to him. Let's encourage our foreign investors in whatever capacity we can. And he will be in Mumbai very soon. So if one of you,
we can meet. I don't know.
You can meet him.
Something like that.
He will be happy to take you around. You should watch his videos first and then take a call, of course. So you are looking to invest in mutual funds in India, and right now you are traveling across the world.
Across the world, yeah, exactly.
So after India, what is your plan? Where do you go?
After India, I want to go. My plan, let me say my plan. I don't have a specific plan, but I want to go to Thailand, Vietnam.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
You mentioned after Mumbai, Goa also, right?
Goa.
But Goa is more famous for fish and non-vegetarian food.
I know. This is why I had some difficulty. Let me say that, especially for this one. But Also because I stayed like 3-4 days because I went in Goa at end of May.
Okay. Oh,
So
yeah.
it was very hot, very hot. For me,
So
it was impossible to stay.
Last year, this gentleman was there in Goa, but he went in end of May, which was very hot and
Very
humid.
hot.
So that's what he's saying. So
Yeah.
good, but that's very rare. I've rarely found Italians which are vegetarian. That's a good
Yeah,
thing.
it's not. Yeah, because in Italy, maybe you know, or maybe you know that in Italy is very strong the culture of the food.
Ah,
so
yes,
they
of
love.
course.
No, so they love. We love to make food with meat, beef, fish, all kind of food.
Okay.
So for an Italian, say I'm a vegetarian, it's like I'm removing 60-70% of the of the of the meal
Options.
options. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So, but for me, it's okay to be a vegetarian.
So, what is your favorite dish? In India, you said kadai paneer, huh, guys? Kadai paneer, aloo
Paneer
paratha,
kadai, and I also palak kadai.
palak paneer.
Palak paneer.
Palak paneer. Yeah.
That's what I love.
So that's
not,
great.
not too much. Sorry to interrupt. Not too much the spicy.
Yeah, I know.
Spicy.
I also don't eat
Very
too much.
spicy.
A little bland food, right?
Yeah.
And we love pizzas, don't we, guys?
Oh.
We just swear by pizzas. In fact, in India, you will see, even in our stock market, there are companies, Jubilant Foodworks. It's called Domino's Pizza.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Domino's
it's
pizza.
listed.
I know.
It's listed in our stock market.
In the stock market. It's
Yeah,
Domino.
yeah. And people are crazy. They just want to invest in this company because they like the food. I mean, Domino's is a worldwide brand, but the pizzas it's a monopoly in India. People prefer Domino's pizza.
I didn't know that because for me, Domino, I'm Italian.
Yeah,
so
for you.
Pizza, no, something like that. So for me, say
local.
Domino.
Yeah. So guys, that's a very good point. See, if you ever land up in Europe, any of the European, Scandinavian or Schengen countries, then the local shops, they love their local coffee, they love their local produce, and the small mom and pop stores, वो ज़्यादा चलते हैं, they work better over there rather than these branded. For example, Starbucks in Italy will not work.
Starbucks, they open a Starbucks like 3 years ago, so it's a very new thing, but it's not working.
Yeah,
it's not working
it will not work because local coffee shop, local taste is very important. In India, it is actually opposite. In India, the hero product for the young generation or middle age watching this is Starbucks. We love going to Starbucks. We love the ambience because our local coffee culture is still, not that. We have a tea culture.
I know.
India is all about chai.
I know. And also, Darling, the name of the tea.
Darjeeling.
Darjeeling
tea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love
That's
that
great, man. That's
I love
great.
That one.
So you like tea or coffee?
I like coffee. Let me say 70-30.
In Dubai, you tasted the Karak chai? Karak? Somebody?
No.
Oh.
I took but it's in Jaipur I drank a lot of times masala tea.
Masala
Masala
that is
tea.
my favorite, bro.
My favorite too. Yeah, my favorite.
No, so here in Dubai, you will get something called Karak. Karak chai. I'll help you out later. That is exactly like Indian tea. And it's beautiful. Everywhere in the Middle East you will find Karak chai.
Oh, okay.
You just need to ask for Karak.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and tell us something now about your channel. What is your objective of your channel? What do you do?
Let me say that my objective for the YouTube channel is to. I know that is a big reply, this one, but it's
okay.
The freedom. No, let me say the freedom because I worked very hard in the past years with big companies, but I never, let me say, never received the same I don't know can I say better. The response from the company was not like what I did for them. So I want to work for me. I want to work for my passion, and I know that with the passion, the things come to me.
Yeah, that's great.
It will be like that. So
that's great.
And I open that because I know that is like a passive income. So
yeah,
this
but
is why.
Can we depend? I mean, eventually you will depend on this income, right?
Not only that, because I'm also a web developer.
So he's also a web developer.
Yeah.
He's getting into full-time travel, and any youngsters watching out there, this thing will come in your career where, like he said, you know, he was not that much appreciated in his job. Usually in corporates, that's what we see.
Yep.
That people work very hard and
Yep.
they divert.
I remember that one of my friends told me, let me say, because in the start was a colleague, no, now he's a friend, told me that, okay, you are only a number here. I say, no, I don't want to be a number.
Ah.
I didn't trust him about that, but I don't want to say that every
Yeah.
company is like that, but sometimes the big company, especially big company, if the company has 500,000 of employees, you are, let me say, only a number. So
True, very true. So
so I decided to stop everything. I sold everything, and yeah, I say let's go travel.
yeah, that's a great point. I mean, we don't want to work with companies where we are just a number. We are
Exactly.
human beings, yeah. So
Exactly.
I appreciate, bro. This is
Me too.
great point you
Me too.
mentioned, because I think all of us follow our passion, but somewhere
Yeah.
we have to make it into profession.
I want to add that the thing is only in the start. Let me say in the start, because I had a lot of fear about that. I was
Ah.
very very scared about how can I survive.
Correct.
How can I earn money? How can I don't know, a lot of questions. But the thing is that it's okay. It's just a fear in the start.
Yeah,
So you need to start, improve, practice, and the things happen. Things happen.
things work. Yeah, you just take that baby step by step.
The first step is the most important, the most difficult, and the most important. But after that, I don't want to say that everything is like that. Sometimes it's
Some up and down.
up and down.
Yeah.
The life is up and down. No?
Pretty much like stock markets, you know, they keep
Yeah,
go up,
exactly,
they go down,
exactly.
they go up, they go down, but they move.
Yeah.
Keep moving.
You need to know in the stock. I don't know a lot about stocks, but you need to know the point where you have to put
Exit,
something or
yeah.
exit, or it's like that. If you feel
Absolutely.
that you don't feel comfortable, so your life is like that, put some energy and you go up.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Tell us your name of your YouTube channel.
The name is in Italian. Sorry, I didn't change
That's
it.
okay.
It's Viaggio in Viaggio, but they will find in the comments.
So the name of the channel is Biagio in Viaggio.
Yeah, correct.
And on my description, as well as on the pinned comment, the first comment will be pinned. Please find his YouTube channel. The moment you finish this video, I would request you go to the channel, subscribe, and see, that's the first time I am pushing to subscribe somebody, but because we need to push our own people here, and you will find some of the most beautifully shot travel videos.
Thank you.
Tell us which cities can they find on your channel, where all.
A lot of Italian cities like Venice, Rome, Bologna, Florence.
Florence.
The most important, let me
Dubai
say.
also you've covered.
I'm doing
He will
Dubai.
be covering Dubai,
Yeah.
but so far Venice, Florence, Rome.
Yeah.
I think you should watch it because his videos are very long and very elaborated. So I think you will have a good time just observing, and you'll get a sense of when to go to Italy. Another life hack I'm sharing with them, with your permission. If you ever want to go to Italy, come to Dubai first. The flight from Dubai to Italy is a lot cheaper.
Yeah.
I found out.
Yeah, from Abu Dhabi.
From Abu Dhabi is a lot
Abu
cheaper.
Dhabi is a lot cheaper. Yeah.
So that's a life hack. Huh? There's an airline called Wizz Air.
Wizz Air, yeah.
Wizz Air.
Wizz Air sometimes is not direct to Milan, but they go to Hungary.
Hungary. Yeah.
To Budapest.
And they also go to Frankfurt, right?
Also Frankfurt.
Frankfurt, yeah. So once you reach Frankfurt say basically Mumbai to Abu Dhabi 12,000 one side. Abu Dhabi to, if you take Wizz Air जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, Wizz Air, trust me, it's maximum $100.
Yeah.
$100 from Abu Dhabi to Frankfurt or Abu Dhabi to Hungary.
It's
And
the same that I did.
It's the same, yeah. Once you reach any of the European destination, you can take a U-Rail, the train, and you can move
You can
around.
go where you want.
In 5 hours, 6 hours, you can reach countries.
Yeah.
10 hours.
But also with there is also another company, Ryanair,
Ryanair, yes.
that you can
the
take
yellow
the
color
flight.
airline.
Blue one.
Blue color airline.
Blue for maybe also yellow.
Yeah, it's
But
I have
blue-
seen that. Ryanair is the low cost airline.
Low cost, yeah.
Low cost.
So with
is
30,
it
40.
doing
you
well?
can- yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, Ryanair बहुत चर्चित stock था in US. It's a listed company.
Ah,
And we used to cover this पहले जब Dow Jones study detail में करते थे तभी cover करते थे. We used to cover Ryanair and one more shipping company over there. So great. I will share the link. I request you to follow his channel. What I sense, guys, from speaking to FIIs all around me, young investors, old investors, everybody is bullish on our country because people want a stable alternative to China. But now, more than that, India is gaining momentum on its own because there is no other free market economy which is growing by 7%, 6.5%, 7% every year. So investment purpose, our country is growing leaps and bounds, and people want to make money. Like he said, money.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to make just money. So thank you so much for your time, bro.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure talking to you.
For me too. Yeah. And see you in Mumbai, maybe.
See, please meet him in Mumbai. Where are you staying in Bombay?
I don't know. I have a friend there.
Colaba?
I will stay maybe in the north of Mumbai. I don't remember the name.
Andheri?
I don't remember the name, but I will change because for traveling purpose I will change.
So yeah, so he's going to record videos also, and some of them might comment you to host you.
Sure.
Okay,
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for
having
here. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.